it out there. That was no problem.
Yes, that's right.
I took my thing off.
Yeah.
Chin on time.
And it won't be long warm now, I'd say. It might be warm while the oven is on, but then it's gonna get cool again.
The jumper stay warm and the water wearing, so. I'm wearing warm trousers.
Yeah, my problem is just everything's overcooked, even the ravioli. I just kind of, I get really annoyed with myself when I do that. The ravioli's gone into mush. Everything's overcooked. Everything. Anyway, what can I do? I had this dream that it was going to turn out right, but it didn't. Because all you have to do, as someone said, is put the ham or put any little dinner into a pouch with aluminum foil and it cooks.
Yeah.
And it shouldn't go overdone. But the problem was I had it up too high.
Yeah.
And I had it off the thing to try to speed it up. I took the aluminum foil off it a little bit, and that's the part that burned. If I didn't do that, you know, that's it. Anyway. Okay. Well, dinner at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the morning, dinner is served. Oh, it's freezing.
Some of these off the too.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just I've been kind of overwhelmed, so I have too much going on at the one time. I mean, I shouldn't. I'm not used to
Find
cooking.
out now, you know.
I'm not used to cooking.
That's empty.
Haha, it's not empty. We don't want to take
I get the cooker.
I have it out there, yeah, because I had to wash it special. Yeah. Wait a minute, I'm going to look at this. You don't want to burn that. Will it burn it? No? It will? Will it not?
Turn the oven off, yeah? At the wall.
Yeah. Well, we don't have to yet, but we might need it again. Yeah, I just turn everything down. Okay, so.
What bath are we using?
Let's see. Well, I don't know. Yeah, so that's all I have at the moment.
Yeah, so what's that one is the veg, yeah?
That's the only mats I have.
Do you see most of these?
Well, I have other square ones, but I don't know where they are, so.
The meals can go cold when you're talking.
Yeah, I know, yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay, so what am I doing? Do you want to do Tanya's first? Or?
No, we'll do well. Okay, Tanya's, yeah?
Well, because I'll do my own, you know, it's like, I only, it's not sure if I'm doing it, you know, so. You want that big one, or do you want that? Ah! cheeky. You should have given her that one.
I should be listening
You keep it for yourself.
What was that? What was
Very
it?
selfish.
What was it doing?
He kept the big potato for himself.
I mean, that's not nice now.
I'm joking. And there's some ravioli as well, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
She said she wanted ravioli, but it's all gone into mush. Is it hot enough?
Are you giving her all this or just a little?
I'd like a little bit.
Okay.
Would you like a little bit?
Yeah, I'll give it a little. Okay, so next.
Brussels sprouts,
Here.
and then the ham. Oh, croquettes. There's croquettes here as well. Oh yeah, right. I get a tub here.
Go on.
Okay.
Nice and cold. Okay, it's yours now.
She says she likes them.
Yeah. It's yours
So,
now.
and some ham. I can take the Belgian piece if you want to take this piece.
Now, who's next?
Yourself.
Myself.
I can get my own, and I get my mom's, yeah.
That's mine, is it?
Yeah. I have Christmas napkins.
Reference to Sophie. Right, Sophie, now wait.
Okay.
Do you have a Camcorder television?
Camcorder.
Do you have enough?
Yeah.
Thanks, Andy. It's delicious. Lovely. Oh, wait till there is this down. Thanks, Ron. Did we wait till you sit down? I don't know. Did we wait till you sit down?
When I get sick, no, don't wait for me because I'm going to get some from my mom and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of all over the place here now.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Mm.
There we go. Thank you very much, huh? Well done.
Well, at 3 o'clock it came together.
My compliments to the chef.
Michelin star. Is that what they call it?
Delicious.
All I'm hearing is sounds like So that's very good.
Fine, yeah.
All chefs dream of those sounds.
Delicious. This is delicious.
Yeah.
But really, really good. I'm not. ham, stuffing, ravioli, protect, roaches, and what's it about?
I don't know if my mum will like this now. I maybe have to make her soup, I think.
My camera eat it, see this here? Meal.
Can you keep your hand down?
Water, isn't it? That's hungry, actually.
Come on.
Right? How's ham, isn't it? It's very good cook, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh.
Immature.
That's even decent.
Yeah, she probably more soup at this hour of the night now. It's a bit late, you know. But yeah, she kind of pick at it. She said, but I think that I could have done the mashed potato. You know, it would be better for her anyway.
Yeah.
But I think it's too late now. I won't bother. I'll just make her a cup of soup.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, sometimes heating up a bit of ham like that can be.
The ham is gorgeous, by the way. Beautiful ham.
It's just Tesco. The only thing is I don't have that much of it.
Yeah.
I have one little piece left here if anybody wants it. If you want this piece, It's not the right way to hand it to you. Do you want more Brussels sprouts?
No, okay.
No, okay. Any more roasties?
Yeah. How is the stuffing?
Gorgeous. It's a really good job on that. Brilliant. You did a very good job. Thanks, Ronnie.
Thank you.
I could have made more stuffing actually, because I have more.
Alright.
You know, I didn't make the whole bag of it. I should have. I only have a little bit left.
Oh, Lean.
Good, I think.
Lean, sorry. See, I should have made more. I thought I was making a lot in the bowl, but I didn't really have that much in the end. I'll give you a croquette. Do you want a croquette?
Yeah.
One back. Yeah, I think we're a bit low on food, but anyway.
Sit down now, come.
But I'm gonna go back into my mum, but I have to get her soup. I have some more of the ravioli.
Yeah.
Do you want some more?
Yeah.
Come go put yourself.
I had another little bit there. I did. I scraped the end of the pot. Do you want any more? You don't want any more Brussels sprouts?
I'm okay.
I thought you loved Brussels sprouts.
I do, yeah. This is the float here.
I'm scraping the end of the pot here, but I have some more ravioli mixed in with the Brussels sprout. Yeah, I didn't really have enough to go around. Because it kind of stuck to the pot, that's the problem. It's kind of done in a very, it's not the service isn't that grand
Right.
for this, and it's hard to keep it warm because I don't have the microwave, can't reheat it. It doesn't stay warm very long.
Because we make it very fast.
Delicious. Thank you very much, Anna.
Hmm?
Thank you very much, Anna.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if there was enough there, but there's some Brussels sprouts left. Did you have enough?
Yeah, I'm not. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's a bit late anyway. Oh my god, 3 o'clock. Oh no. What time did I start that dinner at?
Half 12, I'm sure.
Oh my god. 3 hours cooking a dinner.
2.5.
Oh my god, that's a long time, isn't it? And then,
Maybe 1 o'clock, I'm not sure.
time management. Wow, I didn't think I was that long. What took me so long? Preparing it maybe?
Yeah, I think so. Doing the Brussels sprouts individually.
Yeah, she was on the frozen one. Sure. I didn't think that was that long. Yeah, I didn't. I'm just going to see how my mom is. She was going to come out, but I think it's a bit late now and it's kind of cold, so. I'll be out again in a minute.
kind of one.
Pepper. Fordi jeg har resten. Det er ikke nok.
Street.
2 bars. I've got 24 minutes. That should be alright. Up to you occasionally. a tapping sound. Is that the alarm thing, is it? Please, it's hanging so we can make it comfortable. It's on the timer, see, it's got the things on the timer. Yeah, it's good. It's the old, it's got the lights going off. Lights going on off to see it's the alarm here. It's on the timer, you see. Flick it on, yeah. First I thought it was rain. I thought it was rain first. It was the alarm, and I used it for another thing. But is she okay?
Yeah.
Did she eat it?
A little bit of it, yeah. I'm going to make her soup.
Oh. Yeah, sit over here. You're right. Stop. Sit there. Sit beside me.
I like to be a loner.
Come here. Sit beside me.
I just want to be a loner. I like to be a loner.
You're not going to be alone when Liam and I are here. Liam and I are here, not to be alone. You're going to be with us now.
The croquettes aren't so good. They're like something that's been defrosted and frozen again. Did you find that? No?
They're okay though.
Yeah.
They passed my test. They passed the test. Okay, no good enough.
I suppose at this stage you were starving, so.
We were starving. You didn't have to eat anything when you were starving. You were starving.
Yeah, I suppose you should have eaten then in bed, because I didn't think it was going to take me so long to make the dinner. You could have eaten in Supermax and you'd still be able to eat this. Thanks.
You can tell the album loud. That's background music for a moment to eat.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning. But it isn't too loud yet. It doesn't have it too loud.
No neighbours. There's no neighbours to it.
There is. Over there.
Might as well.
They're not going to hear us. They're close enough, but they're not really. You wouldn't hear us stuff. They're in bed since 10 o'clock. That's right.
Yeah.
The lights are out since 10.
Actually moved in now, have they?
But the upper in the morning.
Everywhere. But tomorrow Saturday,
Did you get the baby yet?
no.
You didn't.
Just in the distance.
It's in Newport. So. Did you see the boy or girl?
I don't know them that well.
Nice people. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're my neighbours. My neighbour's son. He lives up there. I know the son, but I don't know her. I never met her. The wife.
Who's the son?
What's the other DJ? There's another DJ that you had last time.
Is it Quicksilver?
No.
DJ Quicksilver and
There's another one with N.M. or N.M. or something. No?
I like those. There's another one. Two limited another one.
There's just another name that I heard last time. DJ Annam or something. Annam.
Oh yeah, Adam featuring Amy.
Yeah, Adam. That's a new.
Yeah.
They're new, is it?
They did a cover of a song Zombie, yeah. And the Cranberries, the dance first songs, yeah. I have it on the thing there. I have it for it, happy one. It's one of your favourite songs, isn't it?
I wouldn't say favourite, I just see it played everywhere it's popular.
wouldn't say it's my favorite.
You remember it for some reason.
Hmm?
You remember it.
Zombie.
Yeah. And you remember DJ Allen, what's his name?
Oh, yeah, no, I just remember DJ Adam, but that's not. I'd like zombie done in the regular way.
Zombie, is it? He does the song.
No. I just remember hearing that name of the DJ
Mm.
from last time.
Okay.
I didn't know what he did,
Mm.
so I thought that was the DJ that came on. They do zombie, and every time I go into, like the main pub, they
Yeah, yeah,
do
this is
that
it.
every night.
And this is the sheriff.
I didn't know he did that. I just remember the name of the DJ, and I thought that was the one that you had on now before. It's a good version of it though.
I fed up the original one.
Listen now, yeah? Alan Fisher. Alan, DJ Alan Fisher here? Mm.
It's actually sounds like you know from the
Yeah,
family.
I think, Doors.
She passed away now. How many years ago she passed away?
No, I'm good. She was swimming in the sea in some sort of resort, and they was hit by a speedboat.
Oh really? I didn't know that's what happened to her. I thought it was Rose.
What did you think of it?
I thought she was overdose of drugs. What happened to Sinead O'Connor with that drug?
She just died of handbook.
Maybe from drugs? No. No.
That's what I heard of, huh?
No.
Okay.
Well, she taking drugs now.
I have no idea.
I say she was. That's very late. 2:30. I think we had the last dinner was about 2:30 before 2. For Christmas time I don't know what took me so long. I don't know. I thought it would be easy, you know. I thought, well, I'll put the ham, the stuffing, potatoes in, have it done, and just put the Brussels sprouts. It seemed easy. I mean, you'd have a whole turkey cooked in that event, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Flash dance, is that right? No, flash dance,
Does the DJ do that one? No.
That's just like it's iron power. She also died too. There's a lot of great singers. A lot of great singers are dying.
Here's a question, Rihanna. If you bring back someone who's dead to life, other than your parents or your family, right? Who would you bring back?
I don't know. I mean, someone famous, you know?
Yeah.
Whitney Houston.
I might bring back Michael Jackson. Temporary Elvis.
Oh yeah, I was going to say Elvis as well.
Such a character, you know?
I was gonna say Elvis.
Is that Freddie Mercury? Until the summer. What Michael?
Michael Collins, you know Michael Collins was? Yeah, really close to the top of it, it's not quite on top. It was so unfortunately,
You give me the job.
he masterminded the English, you know, because he didn't live to see it. You know, he died in the Civil War.
That's what I love being back to living in Tom.
Yeah, but yeah.
I know he did something good, like Michael Collins. Like, he was a leader and did something good. I didn't know a lot about him.
He masterminded the defeat of the English
Oh, okay.
in 1919 to 1921.
But then he was,
He defeated he ran an assassination squad.
alright.
British people, top people have been killed all the time by these assassins.
Alright, and he was the head of it. I didn't think he did anything bad. I thought he did good.
And he did, he got rid of the English.
Alright.
So,
I didn't think he did it in a bad way.
he didn't know, he did it very well there.
Oh, did he? Oh, okay.
Absolutely savage.
Really? Alright, really. And then what happened? He got killed in the
Yeah,
war.
there was a civil war after the English left. There was a treaty, right? And blah, 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 right? But then some people wanted the 6 counties to be free from the English as well. And some people wanted them to stay in Galway. And he was on the side that wanted them to stay in to be free from the English. Besides stay with Britain, right?
And he wanted them to stay
Stay with
with
Britain,
them.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, some of the unions were there. A lot of the unions were there. All the unions were there. English. Irish people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, anyway, there was a civil war over that, and he was killed in the Civil War. So he didn't live to see it really did much of it. He would have been very famous. He would have been. There's still girls, women leaving flowers at his grave these days, you know.
Really?
Apparently so, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You would live to see. You'll see him on the Late Show.
There was a movie. Yeah.
Which is a shame, you know.
But he would have been like 90 now.
Yeah, he's very old now. 96, 106 actually. If he was born in the year he was shot, he would be almost 106. So he would have been long dead, even
When was he shot?
back in 1921 or 22.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't do a lot of Irish history. I didn't really do any. Well, I did, but really. That's bad, right? That I don't have the Irish history. But that's why the Irish are coming from that, though. My aunt always says that the Irish are coming from that position. That we're always trying to prove ourselves. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah.
That's why we are the way we are.
Inferiority complex.
Yeah, you know, if you go to England, everybody's so at home with themselves. If you go to America, they're so at home with themselves. There's none of this kind of clash and back and forth, jealousy, all this. Irish are made to be like that.
Yeah.
And the reason we're made to be like that is because we saw the war years and it's built into you. Even someone like me, who wasn't even living here, right? I wasn't living here that long. And I was only a baby, and then I went back over to America and did most of my life over there. It's still inbred in me, in my genes, that you think the war years are here. Like my aunt always says, with all the clothes and everything, you think it's the war years. You're kind of hoarding, or you're kind of, and you're. The Irish are always trying to prove themselves. You're always trying to prove yourself, and you're fighting against each other. And that's the Irish. They're fighting against each other. And even when they go to another country, they're fighting against each other. But the Americans are not like that.
they're so at home with themselves, and there's no jealousy, and there's no nothing, and it's lovely. And when I came over here, I was like that, because I grew up over there, and I was like that. And my aunt used to say, when I come here, and people would say things to me, she's like, how can you stay quiet? And I was like, I don't know, you know, I was so nice when I came here. But then Ireland makes you fight against each other again. We're all fighting against each other. Jealousy, just one wants to be better than the other. One wants to be better than the other.
You're right.
But it's in our nature though. Would it not be in your nature too?
I would, but I think that I was over in Canada. I think I seen what you were talking about. I was over in there for 3 months, and very little of that acrimony. Very little of the one-upmanship and put down on doing.
Yeah.
See anywhere really. And over here, you're right. You know, it's much more negative, much more pessimistic.
Yeah, it's like one against the other. We're all like it. We're all at it. One wants to be better than the other. One wants to have a better car than the other. One wants to have this better than the other. But we're all guilty of it. We all have it because we have it in our genes.
Yeah, I think you agree.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just like, and it gets so tiring after a while.
It doesn't.
Trying to like fight against the whole thing. You know, it's lovely when you see someone at home with themselves and kind of like, you know, but the Irish should never be like that. They're all
I think you're right, Anna.
fighting against each other.
There was a guy in work here, you know, a guy called Michael Mulvey. You wouldn't know him, right? But he's a shortish guy, very short, right? I think he used to do character assassinations all the time. You know, this is the sort of thing you're talking about. So he was a kind of leader of the screen, you know. But he'd be saying that, talk about some guy, blah, 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 and the smell was unbelievable. At dinner table, you know, talking about some guy is smelling all the time.
Oh, right.
And he attacked me as well. He attacked me. And I just as I was, he admitted defeat then. That was just when I got sick then, right? I left the company. But yeah, he was an asshole, absolute asshole, you know.
And did the people smell it?
Of course they didn't.
No,
there was no smell.
No smell.
He said it to everybody.
He said it, just there was no smell.
He wanted to be the top guy, the alpha male.
And why would that make him the top guy?
He said he attacked. I don't know because I think.
Why would it make him the top guy if he said someone smelled?
I tell you how. Because.
You know, you might see it in a playground or you might see it in a school.
Yeah.
But why would it make him top at work?
Because.
I've just been this back inside because I've only got 5 minutes on this one.
People putting down someone.
But yeah, bad hygiene is the current